Welcome to the Send to Amazon video series, Benefits of Case Pack Templates in Send to Amazon and the Steps to Create Them. Providing Amazon with accurate box content information allows us to move your inventory rapidly through our network, making them available for sale sooner. If you're shipping boxes with one or more units of the same SKU, we recommend that you create reusable case pack templates to provide box content information, box weights, box dimensions, prep and labeling information. Since these templates can be used for future shipments, you won't have to re-enter packing details every time you ship that SKU, thus reducing time spent creating shipments. Now let's see how to create a case pack template. First, click the Packing Details drop-down menu in Step 1, choose Inventory to send, and select Create Case Pack Template. The Case Pack template saves information about how you prep, label, and pack the SKU. We'll skip the name field for now. Units per box is the number of sellable units in each shipping box that you'll hand off to your carrier. If, for example, you always get case packs from your supplier with 10 sellable units per box, you would enter 10 here. Let's say that the box dimensions are 8 by 12 by 16 inches and that each box weighs 15 pounds. Next, enter information about the prep and labeling for each unit. If Amazon has stored the prep type for this SKU, it will appear here automatically. Otherwise, choose the prep category that applies to the SKU from the drop-down menu. If none of these fits your SKU and no additional prep is required, select No Prep Needed. In this example, we're selecting baby products as the prep category. Now tell us whether you want to prep each unit yourself or use the FBA prep service to have Amazon do it for a per-unit fee. The same goes for labeling. In this example, because you or your supplier do all the required prep and labeling, you select Seller for the Who Preps Units and Who Labels Units fields. Now back to the packing template name that we left blank earlier. If you have multiple manufacturers or suppliers, each of which packs differently, you might want to create multiple case pack templates for that SKU. Currently, Send to Amazon lets you create up to 3 case pack templates for each of your SKUs. Make sure to name each template so they're easy to tell apart. Let's call this template Warehouse LA-10 units. Supposing that this product comes from your warehouse in Los Angeles and has 10 units per box. By clicking Save, you return to the beginning and can now see a preview of the template details you just entered. Because you selected Seller in Who Labels Units, you print the labels by clicking Print SKU Labels and then label your SKUs. To create a second case pack template for this SKU, click the Packing Detail drop-down menu and select Create Case Pack Template. Fill in the packing details and click Save. To edit or delete an existing case pack template, click the pencil icon next to the packing detail. After making your changes, click Save. To delete, click Delete Packing Template. This concludes the instructional video on how to create, modify, and delete case pack templates in Send to Amazon. Check out the detailed step-level video tutorials in Seller University to learn more about the workflow.